Can you imagine these crispy yummy balls are made from eggplant? If your guests are coming over and you don't have anything in your fridge except bangan, don't worry, you can still make something special and I bet they will be quite impressed with your cooking skills. Hello, welcome to Recipes You Like. If you like the video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, giving you valuable feedback and comments in the comment section below. You can also consider to subscribe, hitting the bell icon to get the latest recipe updates from Recipes You Like. Let's begin. For making these yummy eggplant balls, we will take 2 eggplants, that is bangan, and shred them like this. You can even do this process in a food processor. After this, take a pan and in this we will add some oil, about a tablespoon of it. After heating the oil, add half a teaspoon of cumin zira. Let the cumin to crackle in the oil for few seconds over a low heat, and then we will add in a teaspoon of ginger paste and a teaspoon of garlic paste in this. Continue sauteing over a low heat for just a minute, and then we will add in a teaspoon of coriander paste or coriander chutney in this. If you have been following Recipes You Like since long, you know this. Why we use coriander chutney. Apart from that, we also added half a teaspoon of green chili paste and salt. Add it according to your own taste. After mixing, immediately drop over it tomato paste or tomato puree. This is 2 tomatoes made into a puree. At this point, keeping heat over a medium, you can keep on cooking, stirring occasionally till the tomatoes dry up a little bit or change color, and then add in half to a teaspoon of red chili powder as per your taste. After adding chili powder, keep the heat to a low because the chili might get burned, and you can see it has changed color. Now add in shredded eggplant, bangan. Now keeping heat medium to high, we will continuously stir and cook it till the rawness of the brinjal goes away. In between, let's add few spices. Half teaspoon of garam masala. This is homemade garam masala. You can find the link of it in the description below. Then half teaspoon of amchur powder, dry mango powder. Half teaspoon of chaat masala. Mix everything properly and continue cooking. Guys, you can always adjust the spices and its quantity as per your own taste. Within 8 to 10 minutes, the bangal is quite mushy and cooked. At this point, we will add in cheese in this. This is one processed cheese cube. I think it's about 50 grams. Make it into small pieces and add it. Mix, and this is almost ready. It's ready. Let it come down to a room temperature. For binding these brinjal balls, we require some kind of a binding agent. So we have used here breadcrumbs. Breadcrumb will help in absorbing some amount of moisture from the eggplant balls. Instead of using breadcrumb, you can even use crushed cornflakes in this. Total we used here about 3 tablespoons of breadcrumb. Now you can see this has come together as a nice soft dough. Pinch out small lemon sized balls from this dough. Smoothly roll them. If you feel sticky, you can apply little bit of oil over your palm. And after it's done, to make the outer layer crispy, roll them in the breadcrumb again. We'll keep all of them ready, and total here we could make 16 balls. Oil has already been kept to heat, and in the hot oil we will drop these balls to fry. Now, as we always do, fry over a medium heat so that they remain crisp, stirring them occasionally upside down till they are crisp and brown. Strain them out, removing the excess oil, and then you can drop them over a paper towel. You can enjoy them with sauce, or I enjoyed it most with the curd. And yes, don't forget to share, comment, subscribe, hitting the bell icon till we meet again. Bye bye.